everybody, welcome back. I am a literal hot mess today. I didn't even plan on doing a video because I am very short on time this week. But I really need to do a mask before I start meal prepping everything. So I figured let's just do that. And I have a new subscription box that I want to talk to you about today. And we're going to just do that and get right into this and hurry. So today's mask and chat, before I start this, there's a whole mask and chat playlist. It's kind of a catch-all category. I talk about just whatever. So today we are doing a mask that I got in a different subscription box. So that's pretty apt. This is the Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask, which clearly I need. Here's the thing. I got the flu over Christmas, and from all of the like touching around my skin and stuff, I broke out like right here kind of. But then these, like, they went away, and then I started taking a supplement that had biotin in it that I did not realize had biotin, and then I blew up. So that's new, and all of these came back even worse, and then this one. So we're on the road to recovery, but you know, whatever. This is the first time using this mask for me. As always, I will let you know my comments and thoughts on it down below, whether I thought that it worked or whatnot. I'm just going to apply this and we will come back and get right on into the new subscription box. I swear, getting a thumbnail sometimes feels like the hardest thing I will ever do because they never look perfect. But anyway, so the new subscription box that I got, as you probably saw from the title anyway, but it is the Allure Beauty Box, and it is $15 a month. Most places will give you like a code where you can get your first box for $10. Now, I signed up for January, which I'm pretty sure literally everyone in the free world signed up for January because of the products that were going to be in it. So I will show you those, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the box though itself. So here is the one for January. It comes with several products. Here's the thing, like the box or bag that it comes in is already like split open on the side, so it's really not functional. Like, and I saw other people where the whole side was just split open, so they clearly did not really care about how they packaged these products. And also, even though there are a few glass items in here, nothing was like wrapped up or anything. Luckily, nothing broke, but also they put two glass things right next to each other, which I feel like is asking for trouble, but regardless, there's my nitpicking on that. And then you see here, this could just pop right out the side. So clearly will not be able to use this bag, but that's fine because it looks pretty cheap anyway. So there you go. So this box came with a few items that I probably won't use, maybe only a couple items that I won't use, and then the rest of the items are pretty good. I don't know the overall value, but a lot of these items are well over the price of the box itself. So we first got a Douce Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in Winterberry. I'm not even going to open this because I'm just going to pass it on to a friend. This kind of color, just not my thing. I have tried these things before though in other subscription boxes. Again, I feel like certain brands you really only see in subscription boxes. I mean, is anybody actually going and like purchasing Douce just on their own? I've only ever seen them in various subscription boxes. So, you know, there's that, whatever. I did not like the crayon itself though whenever I tried it before in a different color. So the color's not my thing. The formula is not my thing. This one I was pretty excited about. It is the Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra, and this came in burnished bronze. I'm really excited about this one. I feel like it's a nice color to use, and I do tend to have decent luck with Mally products. Let's see if we can get that to focus better. There you go. So there we are. I'm excited about this one. I feel like that was a nice inclusion in the bag. Next up, you were either supposed to get an Amika hair mask thing or leave-in conditioner type of thing, or this other product. And I ended up getting the other product, which is fine by me. because I really haven't had good luck with Amika products. So I ended up getting 2 Beauty Blender Micro Minis in this little like pink color, which is great. I don't particularly love these, but I'll use them. And if I feel like I'm not going to end up using them, then I can pass them on to a friend. But it's always good to have another sponge. So that was a great inclusion. Next up, I'll talk about the bonus item. This, I think everybody got, but you got like different colors and stuff. So this is an NCLA polish. I know for sure this was a $15 value or $18 value. I can't imagine myself using this color. I'm more of like a red or just flat out neutral girl. I really don't go for like hot pink. So my friend will end up getting that one. So far the matte lip crayon and the nail polish, definitely not keeping. I like the shadow stick. The beauty blenders are kind of on the bubble. And then the last 3 things I'm for sure keeping. So the next one is the Ouai Scalp and Body Scrub. I really love the Christophe Robin Purifying Sea Salt Scalp Scrub thingy. That is a holy grail product for me, and I feel like it's helped my hair a lot. I'll link that down below because I feel like that one is really good and worth looking into. But here's the Ouai one. Everybody says Ouai products smell really good. I've never really tried them or smelled them, but this just smells like soap. So I don't feel like it smells great. I will use it to see, but just looking at it right here, 100% the granules in here are much smaller than the Christophe Robin one. And I really like that the Christophe Robin one is very like grainy and can really get in there and scrub my scalp. So I'll use it. Unless it's a miracle worker, I wouldn't repurchase like the full size though. And then the last 2 products, which is why everybody subscribed to this box for the month of January, they included 2 brand new Sunday Riley products. Now, the first one is a sample size that's just over 1/4 ounce. It is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. I'm very excited about this. I feel like I'm kind of hit or miss with Sunday Riley products. I do like some of them don't work that great for me, but I do love me some retinols, and I'm actually trying right now a Rock Duo from the drugstore, and it's working pretty well so far, but I want to use the whole thing before I bring you my thoughts on it. But this one I'm excited to try after I finish those up. I mean, it's a retinol, so I hope that it's really good, you know. And then the last product, which I think is what everybody like really went nuts over, because the value of this product alone is $40. And most people got this bag for $10. It is brand new. I think it only just launched. It is the CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. This is the half a fluid ounce size. The full size of a full ounce full is $80. So it is a pricey product. I do really like the UFO oil for acne prone skin. So I have high hopes for this, but the thing is, I did not really like the CEO serum. So I hope that this one is better. I do like that it has vitamin C and turmeric in it though, because I do have dark spots. So here's the thing. That's all the products in this bag. But here's the thing about this bag though. They release their the stuff that's going to be in their bag quite early, I feel like. So there are already in the month of January, I think the beginning of January, there was sneak peeks for what was going to be in February. And February, I'll insert a picture of it right here. It looks like crap. So I'm really not excited about February. It does have a mascara in it that I would be willing to try. I feel like the eyeshadow quad or trio is probably not going to be my thing. I feel like in general, the whole thing is just kind of a throwaway. But whatever I don't like, my friends can benefit from. But I'm hoping that the next box, though, is good. I have a feeling, based on the reviews that I've seen and stuff, that Allure is very, very hit and miss. Like, people love it, but it's because they know that, you know, this month you're going to get amazing, great things, and then the next couple months might not be so great, and then you get a really, really good one. So it balances out in most people's minds, but we'll have to see how this goes. Maybe after I get the next one or the next one, a couple more, something like that, I'll come back and let you know my overall like thoughts on if I feel like subscribing in general is worth it or not. But I will also say that a lot of people had tons of issues. Whenever they purchased the January box, they were receiving the December box and then also being charged for the January box, and they didn't want the December one. A lot of people were double or triple charged. Some people were charged for magazine subscriptions, which I feel like that they probably didn't read the fine print, because you did have to like opt out of not getting that. But I don't know, for the most part, it seems like they don't really have their stuff together a whole lot, but I'd like to think that because this box was just so highly sought after, that it kind of just created a lot of issues. But we'll see. I luckily was not double charged. I wasn't charged for a subscription or anything like that, other than the box subscription. But you can sign up on their website, or you can also sign up, I think, on Amazon, which honestly, if it were me, I would probably sign up on Amazon had I known that before I signed up, just so that you don't have to deal directly with Allure, because I don't like it whenever companies don't have their crap together. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this episode of Mask and Chat. Check out the whole playlist down below, and also check down below for my thoughts on this mask. And that is it. Let me know if you subscribe to this box. Do you like it? Do you feel like it's hit or miss? Like I'm feeling like it's hit or miss? Let me know the tea on it, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.